What are you up to today then?
Today is the good day or the bad day, depending on how you look at it. We are cutting holes in the roof of the van and getting this roof fan in because show the weather.
Look, sunshine, first time in 4 months, 5 months.
So we've already tried to get through this roof with 3 different drill bits and it's not happening, so I'm onto the hole cutter. And I'm just cutting a hole in the middle of the roof so that I can figure out where that needs to go. That'll work, I don't even need to go right through.
You know, just do that in all the corners. Like, that's a perfect hole, isn't it? No?
A jigsaw way to fit through that, I don't know.
Nah, nearly. And up the roof she goes now.
What do I need?
Fag.
I do need a bag. Right, I'm up on the roof to get this done. I don't like this job.
I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Does it fit?
You ready as well? Does it fit?
Come on.
Please, 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 just fit and I don't have to do anything else again. Yes!
Yay! That's perfect, isn't it?
That's perfect. So next, because of the ridges, I went and bought wee plastic bits that fit in so that everything lines up good. You got a wee cloth there? Right, see if you come here and have a look. I'm getting sick. You just clean that Sikaflex, aye.
Take it off.
No, it's... Right, that'll do it. There's going to be more, there's another 3 of these. That end's alright though. So there we go, they are in. Gives us a nice flat base to put everything on. Gonna let them set for a wee while while I cut another hole in the van. Aren't I lucky?
Putting these wee plastic bits on. And we're going up for a wee rest. No, really, we're just having to wait in this dry and we'll just be cracking on, wouldn't you?
Yep.
I'm in the van. And Nikki's at the top. Look at that. How amazingness. Just having a wee chest to see if this bit come on.
And I'm going to get
MaxxAir.
rid of that before it comes though. Right, so it's these wires, right? What we did with them?
I think that's probably kind of where they need to go.
Yeah.
Ah, perfect, baby.
All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Wait to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're onto something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're onto something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're onto something good.
There's Nikki up and there's a solar panel up there. I don't think you'll be able to see it.
Onto something good. That lines the sky. We'll let it be our guide. And if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good.
Solar panels are on, and so is the roof fan. I need to go take all the polythene off that though. It's in. You want to record it outside, Ottman?
Eh?
You want to record it from outside, Ottman? That's the best.
So we have a roof fan. Is it opening? This is us finished for today. We've got a roof fan working, solar panels working. Well done, you. Good job.